My name is Chris Heath. I am from North Carolina, and I've been using Sense for about 2 years. Once I got Sense powered up and it started learning things, it was very shocking at some of the power energy that we were using. My power bill has dropped about half. Before Sense, we were about $190 a month. I think yesterday I checked and we're at $98. It was 20 years old and it was using so much. So I went ahead and purchased a hybrid water heater. I knew immediately that would save some money, and that alone was about $30 a month. We have some large can lights in the living room, and Sense found those, and I was just astonished at how much energy they were using. I believe we have 10 at 60 watts, so when we cut those on, you know, it just, the power meter on Sense just went up. As Sense was finding these things, I was realizing more and more that there was actually something that we could do, you know, to save electricity. One of the things that we laugh about was I texted one of my kids. She was in high school, and I told her that she had left her flat iron on, and she texted me back. She said, "Are you at home?" And I said, "No, I'm not." And she said, "Well, how do you know it's on?" You know, typical teenager. So I told her, you know, I can see it on Sense. The kids over the last 2 years, they've come to learn that this stuff is important. If we're wasting it, and that waste comes out of my pocket. Honestly, without Sense, I don't think I would have ever done any of that stuff because I just didn't know. I think we got our money back in 4 or 5 months, and I think we'll certainly get our money back for the rest of the things that we bought within a year. So it's just crazy not to have it. Hey, all right.